भाई ये है
हॉट।
वो है
क्या खिला दिया यार?
You know, the moment you have the first bite and you realize, oh fuck, spicy लग रहा है. Second, third, fourth bite will kill you.
Oh my god. I took an extra big bite.
Although it tastes amazing,
मेरा
spicy
काम ही
है.
पुश करना है. तू क्लिफ के बाहर खड़े हो. यार तुम 100 ले लो यार, बट फ्लेवर अच्छा है.
Hi guys. Welcome back to another episode.
Today we are trying some spiciest noodles of India.
गर्मी होगी आज on another level of high. क्यों? क्योंकि आज हम कर रहे हैं spicy noodles try.
बट नूडल्स क्यों?
अरे because of my love for ramen, no, दोनों.
नूडल्स रामेन डिसाइड कर क्या बोल रहे थे?
अरे they're same only.
नहीं यार, अलग है.
Noodles are, you know, made using many different flours. It can be made using maida, wheat,
पता था आप लोगों को?
ragi, but ramen usually is made using wheat and ragi, and it's more
Correct.
soupy.
Today we are moving one step forward from Maggi, guys. It's not your regular Maggi today.
Today we are trying spicy noodles.
You know, there is a museum dedicated to just noodles.
Museum.
Imagine that. The craze for noodles in Japan is so high that they have a bloody theme park for noodles.
Divyam's gonna be on
Fire!
The inventor for noodles was a Japanese, but 4,000 years ago, China में noodles की discovery हुई. When Chinese were actually codifying the ground
Yeah,
for
yeah.
archaeological purposes,
They
they
found
found a
noodles.
bowl.
They found a bowl.
बोल के अंदर noodles मिला.
You know what? Noodles also went to space
Oh, really?
and you are still here on Earth.
हम चाइना या जापान तो नहीं जा सकते उनकी नूडल्स लेने, बट
उनको यहाँ
यहाँ
लेके
ला सकते हैं.
आएंगे.
So let's begin.
Wow.
Thanks.
So we are trying non-chim super spicy Shin Red noodles.
Seems very spicy. Super जिस तरीके से इतना बोल्ड और इतना बड़ा लिखा है.
It looks red that I'm hoping कि you know.
It says it's super spicy. तो दिखने में तो spicy लग रहा है. अब
I think
खाने
होगा भी.
में
I'm excited for this.
ये ले जाओ यार, नूडल्स लेकर आओ, भूख लगी है यार, प्लीज कम ऑन.
साथ में थोड़ा सा शुगर भी लेके आना, बिकॉज पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है.
तो नूडल्स पेश किया जाए.
Oh my
Wow.
god.
Got it. इतना जल्दी सर्विस तो शायद किसी को नहीं मिलता होगा. You know, just special
Special.
people.
तो डिशेस आ गई हैं, क्यों ना शुरू किया जाए.
लेके प्रभु का नाम.
My God, it's hot.
Cheers.
Cheers. वो बहन.
My god. It's spicy. I can't. I need something to drink.
भाई ये है इसके अंदर है. आ रहा है. You know, the moment you have the first bite and you realize, oh fuck, spicy लग रहा है. Second, third, fourth bite will kill you.
इसमें मिर्च के अलावा कुछ डाला नहीं क्या? प्रोडक्शन कुछ जीने के लिए.
नहीं खाओ पहले. इतना जल्दी थोड़ी ना.
My god.
Ruining it.
अब जाके मुझे शांति मिली है.
Ruining it, यार. It's supposed to have like this only.
इनिशियली बहुत स्पाइसी लगेगा, बट 2-3 पुशेस के बाद once you finally are flying over the cliff, you will find a likeliness for this. Although it tastes amazing,
मेरा
spicy
काम ही
है.
पुश करना है. तू क्लिफ के बाहर खड़े हो.
Noodles खाना तो हो गया. What do you think about packaging?
So I think वो पैकेट पे लिखा है ना 4x super spicy. वो तो definitely है.
I agree.
This is 4 times spicier than any of your other regular noodles.
I think packaging was the promo
Yeah.
for what's supposed to come,
yeah.
and what we got was exactly the same thing. It's bloody spicy.
Yeah, but what about taste?
Taste तो चुम्मा only.
Spicy था,
सब
but
है.
tolerate करने लायक था.
Although it tastes amazing,
Not bad, guys. I think spice is there. The taste is awesome.
I think it's pretty good. मतलब हमसे तो ये खत्म नहीं हुआ, but definitely वो gossip sessions के time तो ये I think
100% खत्म हो
ही
जाएगा.
इतने
100%.
सारे हम करेंगे तो.
It's full bowl, यार.
ये खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
Full bowl. I think it's going to be
Yeah.
good enough.
Good enough, yeah.
What about uniqueness? Do you think this is unique and not so common?
I think it was unique because इसमें vegetables and all पहले से थे, additional नहीं थे. मैंने नहीं खाया वो अलग बात है, but audience जरूर पसंद करेगी.
Is it unique? It's very, very unique, I feel. I would say it is uncommon.
I like the way it's prepared, which makes it nice to eat. I think that's why eating this is fun.
And what about money? Do you think it's worth the money?
Money-wise, I think it was definitely worth it. यार मैगी लेते हो 12 रुपए की तो ये तो ले ही सकते हो.
Very thick noodles, very nice spicy flavor and imported. So I think rupees 130 is worth the money.
Correct.
Or I think
Only if you're a spicy eater and you don't want anything else, I think that's good enough.
Otherwise it's not worth the money. It can be a little cheaper.
On the expensive side.
Yeah. So Peli noodles are chuki and it's time to try the next one. And we are really excited to try Maggi का Korean barbecue noodles.
वो भी स्पाइसी है, पर देखते हैं कितना. The evergreen, the classic, one and only. Maggi.
अंदर से feel तो ऐसा square जैसा ही लग रहा है.
Maggi जैसा ही लग रहा है, square.
slab है.
This is Korean barbecue Maggi. And
My God, love the packaging. It's chotu, it's nice, it's sweet,
yeah, Maggi in red color
but
packaging.
it looks a little cheaper
yeah.
than what we tried earlier. The portion also is not too much.
yeah.
I
Portion-
think if somebody who has a great appetite, उसको ये 2 खाना पड़ेगा. एक
Right.
में होगा नहीं.
I'm very much excited to try
Bring
this.
it on. You mean you're very much scared to try this since it's red?
Potato, same thing.
मिल जाए मैगी का साथ तो बन जाए बात.
इसी के साथ शुरू
करते हैं
करते हैं.
शुरुआत. क्या बात है इरशाद.
प्रोडक्शन
Transition.
कैलेंडर खाना लाओ, कैलेंडर खाना लाओ, कैलेंडर खाना लाओ.
Yes.
Oh my god.
And there you go.
Finally.
Smells. Wait.
Looks a lot like your regular Maggi.
Nice.
This is अपना OG Maggi but in
मैगी जैसा ही लग रहा है, but ये थोड़े flattened है.
feel तो Maggi वाले ही हैं.
The flavor is nice. It's different than Maggi for sure. It doesn't taste like Maggi at all.
It's flavorful, but it's not that spicy.
This is थोड़ा अलग Maggi.
It's not spicy though.
Definitely not as spicy as the DMs I get on Instagram.
Oh my god.
एक meal में, what was the size of the portion of your meal? And it was only noodles.
Two pack max.
Alright.
आपने कितना खाया max?
4.5.
4.5.
Yes.
एक सिर्फ आपने.
सिर्फ मैंने.
ये एक ही जन्म का है?
हाँ, एक ही जन्म का है.
What about the packaging?
Packaging was good. I mean, red था. मैं ज़्यादा डर गई थी वो पैकेट देख के. But उतना spicy लगा नहीं मुझे. So I'm glad.
I think packaging is okay.
Yeah, could have been
Felt a
better.
little weaker. Maggi logo was there, so trust factor comes on board.
I was expecting it to be super spicy because of the red
Yeah.
and because of Maggi, but it somewhere hurt my feelings for sure.
But I feel overall it could have been much better. Taste, flavor wise, I think it's average.
So taste wise, it's
I expected, since I wanted it to be spicier, I did not like it that much. But yeah, it's much better than your regular Maggi and the flat noodles. If you like flat noodles, this is something you should definitely try.
coming to the portion. Quantity wise, काफी अच्छा है ये. One bowl of noodles can definitely fill your tummy if you like.
100%, and especially for people like me जिनको रात में craving होती है, बना लो जल्दी से, spicy खा लो, movie देखते देखते, it's a perfect thing.
Portion size, I think one portion is enough for someone who has a very small appetite. But if you have a good appetite, you would need multiple portions of this.
What about the commonality?
This is a little uncommon. In that space, I would say I would give it a thumbs up. Do you think it's uncommon? It's a little unique.
I think it's not that unique.
I think it's common because
Yeah,
थोड़ा मुझे
yeah.
मैगी का vibe तो दिया इसने.
It came to me, I felt थोड़ा barbecue flavor आ रहा है, but while you eat it, the barbecue is not that much present.
बहुत taste किया है मैंने, so not so common.
And is it worth the money? Its cost
For 55 rupees, it's good portion, yes.
55 bucks.
$55. हाँ, उसके हिसाब से तो अच्छा है. मतलब
ठीक है यार.
मैगी है.
यार तुम 100 ले लो यार, बट फ्लेवर अच्छा दो.
So guys, we're 2 down, 1 last to go, which is tada!
Nissin Geeky hot and spicy Korean veg flavor.
The founder of this company, Mr. Momofoko, during around after the World War II, created instant noodles. So the entire credit of noodle industries goes to him. In fact, because of this, he is called Mr. Noodles.
If we are going to have noodles right now,
All thanks to
Mr. Noodles. The product has a very green packaging for a super spicy product. I didn't understand why they chose the color green. But yeah, I think it screams vegetarian.
But the entire thing otherwise is red.
Yeah.
It is hot, it is soupy.
देख ही रहा है.
It looks spicy as well, huh? I'm scared.
I want like a big bite.
Oh my god, this is too much. This is
Oh my god.
I do an extra big bite.
Oh my god.
Guys, कुछ दो यार, कुछ दो पीने को मेरे को.
It's delicious, it's hot, it's spicy. It's amazing in short.
क्या खिला दिया यार?
Perfect with your girl gang for sure.
I agree, but I think guys will also like it.
नहीं guys, मेरे से नहीं हो गए. दूसरा कुछ दो. ये सब मेरे को मत दो.
I think they won't be able to bear the spice.
Too spicy. Me यार.
It was true to its packaging.
I agree to that. जैसा packaging था, जो लिखा था, मेरी वो हालत तो हुई है definitely.
True to its word, definitely.
the way it's shouting, the way it's talking to you in terms of what the ingredients are going to be, I think this is going to be flavorful.
You acquire a taste for it. Initially बहुत spicy लगेगा.
Amazing.
Okay, it was spicy for me, but since that's the point, so it was amazing.
If you are a spicy eater, I think don't eat regular noodles at all. I think this is a go-to product for you.
Coming to the portion. It's good enough for one person for sure. आराम से पेट भर जाएगा उससे.
But definitely I won't be able to finish it because आधे में मेरी गर्मी शुरू हो जाएगी.
Full bowl. I think it's going to be
Yeah.
good enough.
Good enough, yeah.
मैं तो पूरा बोल खत्म कर सकती हूँ.
In terms of it being uncommon, I would say it is uncommon and unique.
I think it's not that unique.
Not so common, but decent enough. So
I think
down.
thumbs up, something down.
And is it worth the money?
I think it was worth the money because 50 रुपए में और क्या नहीं.
It's priced at 50, so I think it's quite good comparatively.
Yeah, for a someone who likes spicy, this is for them.
Worth the money, thumbs up.
Correct.
But we are willing to give more money for better quality. And with that, we've come to the end of our review. But there's still time for a conclusion.
I had a great time trying this. For me, this takes the cake. This is the most spiciest of them all. The flavors are awesome. The flavors are great. And it's good enough.
Yeah, and for me, I felt that Nissin Geeky was the spiciest one. If you're just talking about spicy, I think Nissin Geeky was the spiciest, and it was. I liked that it's not too sticky. Also, that fact as well. So yeah, spiciest this would be this.
So what do you think was the spiciest for you?
Definitely goes to.
I agree.
Nissin
Even
Geeky.
for me, this was the spiciest one.
And with this, we come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us because we definitely enjoyed ourselves eating this yummy noodles.
It
for
was
sure.
super fun. We are already full. I really enjoyed this session. Hope you all also enjoyed it with us. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and share this with your friends.
And tell us in the comments below what you want us to try next.
And subscribe to Things to Do Without Fail.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Till then, this is Simran.
This is Divyam.
This is Roman. And
That's Ajay.
Signing off.
So,
Toodles.
Again, and action.
तेरा हो गया. मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा?
And it says Fury chili. अरे कितना स्पाइसी खिलाओगे यार? हर चीज में चिली होती है क्या?
इंडिया में ट्राई करो.
क्या पता नहीं.
भाई ये बहुत तीखा
बहुत-
है यार. कंटेंट से प्यार करता हूँ बट इतना भी नहीं.
इट्स नॉट दैट यूनिक बिकॉज कुछ है ही नहीं यार, मतलब
मतलब फ्लेवर तो है, मतलब इतना नहीं है.
ये पेप्सी थम्स अप किसने रखा है? बियर दो बियर. यू नो समथिंग वेरी वेल विद नूडल्स, बियर गोज वेरी वेल.
Wrong.
you just